welcome to my channel. My name is Hadia, and I am a federal employee, and I am looking to downsize. We all know what's going on, and this is a very scary time in our lives. And I was already planning on going tiny. I've been looking for about 2 or 3 years since 2021 at tiny homes. Um, I was initially looking at tiny homes communities to live on the tiny home community or in the tiny home community, and I didn't really see anything that fit my needs and my family's needs. I have 4 kids, and a lot of the tiny homes communities are catered to elderly, retired, um, single single women. Is from the communities that I've saw in the Southeast, um, Midwest, and West. Now, if you look at the ones in New Zealand or Australia, um, I've seen a lot of couples, um, but not too many in the US. So um, I am actually looking for land to build a tiny home community for my family, and also a tiny home community where people can possibly park their, their tiny homes, especially women with children, because I haven't seen that. I haven't seen that. If you're out there, comment below. Let me know what community you have available that caters to families. All right. Anyway, so as I'm looking for tiny homes, I decided that I'll look for land, and it's very hard. And a lot of the tiny home movement or people with tiny home platforms, they don't necessarily help you. Um, they have their land, they have their tiny home communities, and they don't necessarily show you how to do it specifically. So I want to show you my journey. It may not be the right way, but this is what has or is happening. So I found this property, and I've been looking for years, but I was looking in a different state. And as I was looking at a different state, some other states near those states populate. So now I'm looking at various surrounding states. So, and I just wanted to share with you all, for example, this property. And this is not necessarily the property that I'm interested in. I just want to show you how you can do this on your own. It is hard, but it's possible. And I haven't found that property yet, but I'm one of the pickiest, most meticulous person that I know, and almost looking for perfection, which may not be out there. So I'm just showing you the process that I am taking. I have contacted many planning and zoning government offices. I will show you, if I can, if it's listed, what the zoning requirements may be for the particular property that I am looking at. Because again, no one is doing this like I am. So this is an example, you all. And I want you all to get on your computers, and if you're looking for land, I want you all to follow this strategy, because we need to buy land. I just realized that land is the way to go. All right, so this particular property, this is what I'm looking for. And this is what I'm looking at. So this is a land in Alabama, and you don't want to necessarily be in a cookie cutter subdivision. No, cookie cutter surrounding $1 million homes. No, I'm not looking for that. I'm not looking for that. So you want to read the descriptions, and sometimes it tells you the zoning in the description, but always verify. So I found that a lot of the hunting homes, hunting properties, um, may be unrestricted land. So you want to look for something like that. So this particular property may be unrestricted. You may not be able to um, build. So you would still have to call the county and the zoning and everything to verify, because here it doesn't say that you can build a home on here. Sometimes they say build a dream home, or build um, a community or subdivision or family homestead. It tells you in the description. So I'm just showing you an example of this particular one. It does not, but it does say that it has, some wildlife already there. So if you're looking for ducks, you don't have to purchase any ducks. If you're looking for turkey, it's turkey there. So this is just an interesting strategy that I'm looking at. And you'll have your own strategy and your own vision of what you're looking for. All right, so this particular property is right at the border of Atlanta and Georgia and Alabama, and which is good because I have a lot of family um, in these surrounding areas. So I'm just looking at the street view just to see what it looks like. So it's dirt roads, very, very rural. So you go as far as you need to go to give you an idea of what the property is. You look around, look around. And this is what I recommend that you do before you make a trip, depending on how far you are from the particular area. So I want to look for the main road. This could be the main road, who knows? So I'm just looking, it's just, whoo, this is, and you realize, ooh, this may be too rural for you. Oh, and I'm a city girl, so I'm just looking for how far I would have to drive down this dirt road. Huh. White road is, ooh, that's a long road. Okay. Oh, I see something. Oh, what is that? Oh, okay, that's nothing. All right. Well, not sure if this is a good fit. I'm gonna look at one. Oh, this is how White Road is. So this is on the map. So White Road goes all the way around. The house is here. Okay, that may not be too bad. So I must be traveling. Let's see how long I have to be on White Road before I possibly have to make a turn. And then I'll have to see where the driveway is. So I probably have to turn here to go to the property. So I have to drive this White Road all the way around. Ooh. And this is a dirt road, as you all can see. And you can look at the satellite. You see that? It's not paved. Ooh. It's very, 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 very rural. Lot land. And that's why they said hunting. So you may not want to you know, necessarily have a residential property here. I'm just saying, and I don't see any homes anywhere around. Okay, where was I? So, yeah, that may be a little too rural for us. Let me just show you all. I think I see something over here. Okay, there's some life. Okay. Okay. Not too bad. All right, let's see what's going on Google Maps on this near and around that. So I'm just copying this address and going to, where's my Google Maps tab? Oh, I'll just type it up here. So I'm just going to paste the address that we saw in Abbeville. And just click nearby. And let's see what restaurants are nearby. Whoa, y'all see how far? Oh, whoa, that is too deep. I don't want to be too far from Georgia, even though Georgia is here. Let me see. We'll see. This, I guess it's not too bad. But you see, this is Macon, Georgia. That's way, and Macon is far. That is way down there. And Atlanta is here. So ooh, that's a long way. So one of the restaurants is 4 hours away. Silo looks like a couple minutes. Okay, some of the other ones are not too bad. Okay, let me zoom in so you all can see it better. So this is what I'm looking for. Hunt's Seafood is about an hour. Looks like the Silo is a little bit closer. Oh, 16 minutes. That's not too bad. Gator Hole, 30 minutes. See this little water? It looks like you gotta go around it. They don't have a bridge. Woodfire Grill, about an hour. So you would be eating at Michelle's restaurant. Let's see what kind of food they have. This is I don't play about my food, so I don't eat catfish, I don't eat shrimp, oysters, or scallops. Crab, I don't eat any of that. So oh, they got banana pudding. I mean, you know, you just look to see if you'll be a good fit. Or it will be a good fit for you. So, uh-oh, did it show the map? Oh, sorry about that, y'all. I was not showing y'all what I was saying. So this is Michelle's restaurant. Looks like it's 22 minutes. Another restaurant, this is called Firestone. That's about 54 minutes, about an hour. So I'm just put in the address in my um, looking for restaurants near the potential property in Alabama, and I'm looking for the nearest restaurants. And let's look for market. It may not have grocery stores, so I try with market first. Okay, they have a farm. Hmm. So again, this is, something that you have to look at before making, the decision, for your family. I have to look at the nearest stores. I have to look at the nearest restaurants. I have to look at the nearest hospital. Um, so they're about an hour away to the nearest hospital. So this is what you would have to look at when you make the determination to move your family to this new adventure, so to speak. Well, that's all I have for today. This property may not work. I want you all to do the same thing for your family. Um, if you're looking to be self-sufficient, I believe the first step is to um, buy your land and build on your land, and then find ways that your land can create revenue for your family and for your future. All right, bye for now. Take care of yourselves.